Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make Google Docs read aloud to you. In our fast-paced world, being able to multitask efficiently can be a game changer. Imagine having the ability to listen to your Google Docs documents while you do other tasks, or simply giving your eyes a rest from staring at screens all day. This feature can be a real lifesaver, especially if you're someone who wants to absorb information without being glued to your screen. So, today, let's dive into the steps to make Google Docs read aloud to you. First things first, let's get started by opening your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type in Google Docs and hit enter. You'll likely see Google Docs appearing as the first link in your search results. Click on that link, and it'll take you directly to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Simply enter your email and password, and you'll be logged in, ready to access your documents. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your main Google Docs dashboard, where all your documents are neatly stored. Now, to proceed, you'll need to open the specific Google Docs file that you wish to have read aloud. You can either scroll through your list of recent documents or use the search bar to quickly find the document. Once you've found it, click to open it. With your document open, it's time to enable the necessary settings. Look towards the top of the page, where you'll see a series of menu options. Click on the Tools menu in the menu bar. This will present a drop-down list of options for you to explore. Among these, find and click on Accessibility Settings. A dialog box should pop up. In this box, you'll need to look for the option labeled Turn on Screen Reader Support. Once you've located it, click the checkbox next to it to activate this feature. Don't forget to hit OK to save your settings. Now that you've activated screen reader support, the next step involves selecting the specific text you want to be read aloud. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the text. Alternatively, if you prefer using your keyboard, hold down the Shift key while using the arrow keys to highlight the text you want. Once your text is selected, you'll notice a new option has appeared in the top menu bar called Accessibility. Click on this to unveil a few more choices. Under this menu, look for Verbalize to Screen Reader, and then select Verbalize Selection. This action will trigger the reading feature, and you should start hearing your selected text being read aloud through your computer speakers or headphones. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Google Docs to read your text aloud. This feature is not only a fantastic way to learn or review documents on the go, but it's also a more accessible method for interacting with your content, making your workflow that much smoother. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to make Google Docs read aloud to you. If you want more videos like how to make Google Docs read aloud to you, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.